Bandits Early Bird Special for January 17th. This video is sponsored by JP with the donation supporting the channel. Thank JP, much appreciated. And look out for JP in the comments. He is the fade or no fade Money Making Bandit game master. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, make a donation, support the channel. It's good karma. Just ask JP, swimming in good karma today. To the left, Bandit with the two-step. JP buying Bandit some dance lessons. Money Making Bandit, the #1 ranked 100% free sports capper in the world. No credit cards needed. No $100 weekend pack deals. No $30 a day pack deals. 100% free. Who doesn't like free? And play the fade or no fade Money Making Bandit game. It's a fun game and it's free. Bandits Early Bird Special. American U versus Navy. Bandit playing Navy -9 points full game. Navy -9 points full game. Be on the lookout for Bandit's #1 best play of the day. His 4-unit lock of the day plays. Those are all his premium plays, betting $100 to $300 a day. Look for the early bird special and the late night special. Are you losing all day? You need a winner? Bandit's got your back with the late night special. And be on the lookout for the new NHL hockey guy. And flip a coin. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Support the channel like JP. Moneymaker out.